everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a sheep. Let's start. First, draw a circle, a C actually. Then another C, a smaller one though. And then some more C's. Like this. And then draw a line like this. And then draw a smile. And then a line. And then a dark circle and another dark circle. There. And then draw this. And then another one on the other side. And then down here, draw regular lines. Now we're drawing tail. Now draw a line like that. And now draw a line like this. And then like that. Then another one. I'm done. But I'll wait. Oops, I'm not actually. I'll draw a line in here. Now I'm done. Time to color. And we'll make it black and white now. I'm done with his head. Now I'm off to his knees. His feet, actually. Alright, now I wonder if I have any more to draw black. Because the sheep could be just white. My dad will color black and brown, which this and this and this and this and this and this and this, I'll color it different. I colored this face black and his feet black and his body white. And now I'll take my blue and color his eyes. You can color it however you want to and just have fun. I'm done. Have fun coloring, but before I leave, say bye. I want to tell you a song about a sheep. Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the farmer, one for I don't know, but I'll say the farmer's wife. One for the little boy who lives on the lake. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Bye!